This is going to be a really quick video as a follow-up to when I've installed this refrigerator for this ROG 12BH. The original way I had it mounted wasn't really holding it steady, so I had to go back to the drawing board and come up with a new solution. So let's check it out. I used these D-rings, if you will. I'll put a link in the description. So after several miles of off-roading, this refrigerator did not move at all. These little buckles and straps kept it firmly in place, and so I can for sure say that we have a solution for keeping this refrigerator stable. So that was the update. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.